New brakes may become loose over time. If you notice it takes a long time to come to a complete stop, this may be the problem. To quickly tighten your brake cable, adjust the hand brake tension knob. Give it a test. If you need more, adjust your rear brake tension knob. This adjustment should have noticeable effects. Now you should be good to stop when you ride. Our brakes are similar to many mountain bikes and can oftentimes become misaligned. Here are a few tips to adjust. With a 5mm Allen key, locate the inner caliper bolt and tighten or loosen. With a 5mm Allen key, loosen the cradle positioning the caliper. Loosen just enough to get a little wiggle, not too much. Next, use one hand to hold the brake lever and tighten while holding the brake. This will move the cradle to proper alignment position. Make sure you properly tighten, as this is your braking pedal. Visually inspect, give it a couple of tests, and you should be good to stop. Is your throttle not working? Try checking the auto guard kill switch in your handbrake. If this is not engaged, then your throttle will not activate. Here is one way to fix the problem. Using tape to protect your Swagger 5's finish, apply to the area you want to clamp. Once ready, apply a firm amount of pressure until the pieces have moved back into position. With any questions, please go to swagtron.com and push live chat for our expedited services.